I will talk about how can you enable comment upvotes notifications on your Sololearn app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on push notifications. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to comment reports. Click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us. That's my comment reports notifications enable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.